Let's make roasted Brussels sprouts. Rinse and dry about a pound of fresh Brussels sprouts. Cut them in half. If they are really large, cut them into quarters. Set the heat to medium and use a stainless steel or cast iron skillet. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add the Brussels sprouts, cut side down. Add 4 to 6 cloves of fresh garlic and 3 to 4 strips of bacon cut into pieces. The bacon is optional. Cook a few minutes until browned on the bottom. Then place in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir, then back in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir until browned on each side, about 35 minutes total. Season with salt and pepper and garlic powder if you like. Drizzle on 1 to 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Stir. Then serve warm. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.